Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with a tech review video on my gaming monitor that I purchased a while back. I'm not even sure how long it's been. Probably a good month, hang on. So anyways, it's a ASUS VG278Q. Now the reason I'm reading over here because I'm reading the specs, and honestly, I can't remember all that crap, So I bought this monitor about a month ago, and I don't even know how to explain this video because this is gonna be a long video, kind of sort of, because you guys know I did do a review and unboxing on my LG Ultra 29-inch 2560 by 1080, and I'm going back to 16 by 9 and 1920 by 1080 monitor. Now the reason I did is because I was streaming a lot. Because I had the bars and stuff. If you guys stream it ultra wide, you get the black bars on the top and bottom. So I wanted to get to 16 by 9 and have the ultra wide on the left. So when I'm gaming and streaming, I can see all my stuff. Everything fits right on the ultra wide. Actually, it's better because the long monitor is ultra wide. So I could put my stream, my OBS, Spotify, all that crap over there. It's awesome. I'm thinking about maybe getting one more on this side, so I have two ultra wides and one 16 by 9. I don't know yet, but anyways, this is the review on the ASUS gaming monitor that I got, and I'm gonna say one thing. Wow, going from 60 hertz to 144 hertz 1 millisecond is a huge difference. I didn't think there would be a big difference, and honestly, I see a huge difference, and I don't even know if I'll ever go back. I said this about ultra wide. I won't go back from 60 hertz down from 144 hertz. It just won't happen. Now, the next monitor I will upgrade to, I did see 244 hertz or 440 hertz. That is ridiculous. So I probably will upgrade that eventually down the road. But right now, the ASUS gaming monitor has been great. This was the best purchase I got. Now, people say, oh, I don't see the difference and stuff. And if you haven't seen the difference, you won't see it on video. It's hard to see it on video. You have to see it in person. But like Fortnite and Doom and all those games, oh man, I'm telling you, it looks so crisp. And 1920 by 1080, yeah, the resolution's down a little bit from 2560 by 1080, but dude, 140 hertz 1 millisecond response time is awesome. I just love it. So this monitors, and ASUS makes some good monitors. They got the thin bezels on the side. They got the HDMI, the display port, and all that stuff. So let's go over the monitor. This is going to be a weird review because I'm not going to get all nitty gritty into like how much it weighs, the monitor, and what's the color mode specs and all this bull crap. I'm not doing all that. I'm just telling you straight up about the basics about the monitor, the specs, just basic specs, and what I think about this monitor. I don't get all techie nerdy in some of my tech videos because I don't do that. I watch some tech videos. Honestly, I'm gonna go back. I watch some tech videos. These people get precise. I mean, they even tell you like what's the side of the monitor and all that crap. I don't do all that. If you guys I just give you my honest opinion. I like it. It's badass. That's all that matters. So anyways, so I got the ASUS Full HD 1920 by 1080 144 hertz 1 millisecond DP HDMI DVI iGaming monitor with FreeSync and adaptive sync. There, said all the specs. Pretty much this monitor is just amazing. I'm telling you, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it a lot. I also like the like I said, the bezels are nice and small and slick, because when I got my LG ultra wide, it has small bezels. I like small bezels. I don't like the big Qs. Some of them are kind of big and thick and stuff. I like the thin bezels so I can feel like I'm in the game more. So I like that, so we can put the monitors together and it just looks sleeker. The thing about my monitor I really like too is the menu pad in the back of the monitor. It's easy to navigate. Just hit the little toggle switch and just go through it. Bam, it's so simple. It's easy to, it's actually better than my LG. If you guys want to see the reviews, if you guys want to see the unboxings on my ASUS monitor, my LG and stuff, I'll put my tech review playlist down below, and it's in my tech playlist. I'll put the ASUS separate so you guys can see it and stuff. As you guys notice, there's more lighting. I got a lot more light now. So the ASUS unboxing monitor, I didn't have a lot of light, so I've been upgrading my lighting, got ring lights, got all that crap. You know, it's just coming along. Just it's coming along. I just want to tell you, it's a great monitor, and it was probably the best thing I invested. I do like I did. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you, it's 27-inch. I don't know if I said that, but it is a 27-inch, perfect size. Other than that, that's about it. I mean, there's not a whole lot to say about this monitor. I mean, I could get all depth and like color mode and color calibration, and do all that crap, but I don't do that. I just give you the review and basic specs on the monitor and tell you, damn, it's a great monitor. But anyways, that's about it. Not really, I can't think anything bad on this monitor, honestly. I did pay $288. I'll put down the description below where you can check it out down there. My videos, my unboxing videos, you guys can check those out. Yeah, it's worth buying. And honestly, ASUS gaming monitor. Next one I do want to get is 240 hertz. That probably won't be for a while. I did have this LG ultra wide for about a year. I think it's been a year. The reason I upgraded because I wanted to use ultra wide for the streaming, and plus just multitasking. And honestly, it's a big difference when you're gaming, man. I've seen so many videos and everybody's like telling me how much difference it is, and I was like, I'm cool with 60 hertz. And then I saw a sale at Fry's, and I said, dude, I gotta get it. So I beat Amazon. They beat Amazon's sale for $288. I said, why not? Let's just get it, because I did have another monitor and the color was off. It was an LG, but it was kind of old. It was probably like 8 years old, and it was kind of off, like the coloring. So man, I'm just telling you, man, it's just a great monitor. All right, guys, that's about it. Also, I'm running these two monitors, but my computer is handling it very good. I don't have any issues. My computer is 2 years old. If you guys want to know what my computer is real quick, I'll tell you real quick. My computer, I built it in December, exactly 2 years ago. I have the i7-700, not the K. I'm not overclocking. I have a regular little stock fan. People don't like it, but honestly, it's running like a champ. I keep it really dust and clean. Don't have any damn issues, no whatsoever. Sometimes I get things glitching, messing up, and that's just part of computer stuff. But other than that, I got the 1060, 6 gigs, GeForce ASUS GTX, blah blah, 6 gigs. I think I already said that. I got 16 gigs of DDR4 Corsair. So I mean, it's just the basics. I spent about like $1,700, so it's getting me through my streams. Now I know people do two PCs, gaming PC and streaming PC or editing PC. I just use one PC for everything. Eventually I would like to have, I probably will never have two PCs because I just think that's ridiculous. And I'll just be upgrading my stuff. I am going to be upgrading to 32 gigs of memory and a 1080 Ti. Not the 2080 Ti because I don't need that, but the 1060 is good. I mean, honestly, I'm still running all my games. Now I am running these games like Fortnite and called Black Ops, and I am running them over 100 frames per second easily. 144 frames. Fortnite, I'm running 144. I mean, if you're getting over 60, you're good. I mean, honestly, 60, 100. All right, guys, well, that's about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I just want to do a little short review on my gaming monitor. So I will be live streaming more. Live streaming, don't worry, I'm gonna be back live streaming. You know, it's just I've been doing a lot of tech videos and unboxing videos, and I got more stuff coming and more sponsors. I got 2 more sponsors. So man, you know, because I'm a tech gamer, you know, so I just like tech and I like gaming. That's why it's tech gaming. So all right, guys, forget all that. Wow, thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer, and I will check you guys later.